Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are busting another huge myth in real estate. Only high-end homes need professional photography or video. So if you've ever wondered if it's worth investing in professional visuals for your more affordable listings, stick around because we're about to set the record straight. So why do people think professional photography and video is only for luxury homes? It's pretty simple. When you see those million-dollar listings, they're always beautifully shot with stunning photography and high-end videos. And over time, it's easy to assume that luxury homes deserve that kind of treatment. But the reality is, every home can benefit from professional visuals no matter the price. And in a competitive market, skimping on photos and videos for mid-range affordable properties, that's a big missed opportunity. Think about this. For the majority of buyers, the first time they see your home is online. And in the age of Zillow, Redfin, and social media, those first few images make or break a listing. So if your photos are dark, blurry, or taken at a weird angle, buyers are going to scroll right past no matter how good the property is. Listings with high quality photography gets 118% more views than those without. That's across the board. Whether you're selling $1 million home or a $150,000 starter house, first impressions matter, and your photos are your front line. Even if you're selling a more affordable home, great visuals can help elevate how it's perceived. And that can make all the difference in getting more buyer interest and potentially a higher selling price. And that's something we focus on here at 3D Media, helping realtors showcase their listings through stunning photography and videography. Okay, here's the thing. No matter what the price point is, buyers are looking for a home that feels inviting. Professional photos can do that by capturing the space in the best possible light, showing off the home's potential, and even making smaller or older homes feel more spacious and bright. Whether it's a small condo or a suburban family home, professional photography helps buyers connect with the property. It helps them see the potential, picture themselves living there, and that's what motivates them to book a showing. And that's what you want, right? Buyers who are emotionally connected to the home. Now, let's talk video. If you think video is only showcasing those jaw-dropping mansions, think again. Today's buyers love video tours. In fact, 73% of homeowners are more likely to list with an agent who uses video. And again, that applies to any home, not just the fancy ones. Video lets you tell a story about the home. You can highlight unique features, show off the flow of the space, and really capture what makes the property special. It's like giving buyers a guided tour without them having to leave their couch. And trust me, for a buyer who's browsing late at night from out of town, that's a huge advantage. It makes your listing stand out and gives buyer a much more immersive experience than photos alone. Here at 3D Media, we specialize in creating these engaging video tours that resonate with potential buyers. One reason people think only high-end homes need professional photos or videos is they assume it's too expensive for mid-range properties. But the reality is it's often more affordable than you think. And here's the kicker. The return on investment is always worth it. Great photos and videos can help your listing sell faster and for a better price. Studies show that homes with professional photos sell 32% faster, and listings with video get more inquiries. So that small upfront cost for visuals, it usually pays off big time. And when you're competing against dozens of other listings, having that professional edge can be the difference between a quick sale or sitting on the market for weeks. Finally, let's talk about branding. If you're a real estate agent, offering professional photography and video doesn't just help you sell one home, it helps you build your personal brand. And when you consistently put out high quality listings, people notice. Even if you're selling homes in the lower or mid price range, using professional visuals makes you stand out as an agent who goes the extra mile. It shows potential clients that you take every listing serious, no matter the price. And that can lead to more clients, more listings, and ultimately more success in your business. Something we at 3D Media are proud to help you achieve. All right, so what's the verdict? Professional photography and video are not just for high-end homes. They're for every home. Whether it's a starter home, a rental property, or a luxury listing, great visuals help you attract more buyers, sell faster, and build a brand as an agent. So don't let this myth stop you from showcasing every property in the best possible light. Thanks for watching today's myth-busting episode. And if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what other myths you want to see busted in the comments below.